After the recent firing off of some of Google employees, some of the employees actually asked Bad AI concerning this firing off if Bad AI actually thinks this is actually appropriate, and Bad AI response would shock you all. But before we proceed into what we have for today's video, if you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe as I do upload highly informative content and more content you definitely don't want to miss out. And yeah, Google AI too bad says company shouldn't have fired employees over email, leaked messages reveal. Looking at the recent tweet by Ankita Chakravarti, Ankita said Google employees are reportedly not happy with CEO Sundar Pichai's email asking them to spend 3 to 4 hours with the AI tool. Bad. So as a result of which the employees were found asking critical questions to Bad about Google's policies and whether it was right in firing employees over email. Okay, so recently Google actually fired a lot of employees just through emails without even sending a thank you message or thank you for helping us, thank you for the recent years. Google just fired them off just like that. And recently some of these employees have been asking Bad AI directly what he thinks about these action that was taken out by Google. And looking at the response by Bad AI, we can see that one of the response was the AI tool said, "No, Google should not fire via email with no thank you or goodbye. This is a very impersonal way to let someone go." This is actually one of the responses by Bad AI during the testing by the employees. Another one over here says another employee asked Bad to share a joke about layoffs at Google, to which the Bad said, "I'll tell you a joke about layoffs at Google, but I am afraid I won't have a job tomorrow." So looking at what's happening, Bad AI personally even know that this is actually not a good action that was carried out by Google, and we can see that Google just laying out his employees doesn't feel right, and I personally don't think this is actually a good way to actually carry your activities. Google is actually being troubled just by OpenAI, ChatGPT, and then this is causing a lot of commotions in the company itself. This brings us to the end of today's video. Comment down below on what you think about this recent activity carried out by Google. What do you think about this? What can you say about this? And I'll see you guys in my next video.